Welcome back to this video series on SAP S/4HANA Cloud release updates. My name is Katharina Stopf and I'm part of the SAP S/4HANA Cloud product management team. With the second release of 2019, we bring brand new innovations to our intelligent ERP in the cloud. As usual, I would like to take a few minutes to give you a quick overview of 3 highlights that are coming for the professional services industry with this 1905 release. Coming up first is the new overtime management functionality. This innovation runs through the end-to-end process for professional services in SAP S/4HANA Cloud. Consultants will be able to record time on previously configured overtime categories. This can only be triggered by the consultant performing the work, who decides in the end which category to record time against. This will then start the normal process in SAP S/4HANA Cloud. The project manager has the approval over this time recording and, as with any other billing proposal, can decide whether this overtime will be charged to the customer or whether it should be written off. In case the performed overtime is chargeable to the customer, the overtime category can also be found when setting service price rates. In the billing proposal, the overtime recordings will be visible in separate line items, same as in the final invoice that goes out to the customer. So, as an example, if one consultant records normal time, time on a weekend, and time on a public holiday, this would be visible in the invoice in 3 separate line items. Second up is the time recording without staffing. Consultants can now maintain timesheet entries for projects that they have not been staffed to. Work package details have to be provided to them to create a task for themselves and then record time against the relevant work package. This functionality is interesting for use cases where standard activities are being provided by a shared services team. In this case, the project manager wouldn't have to staff the entire team, but could just share the project details with the team, and whoever does the work in the end can create the needed task in their time recording themselves. And last but not least, to the highlight automatic project close. We learned from our customers that often projects won't be closed due to the time needed to close them individually. Therefore, we now deliver this automatic job in the system, which will allow you to close all inactive projects automatically. This will help the project manager to keep track of all pending activities, such as missing time approvals, expense postings, and open invoices. This will help support in cleaning up the system data and ensure proper archival of inactive projects in your system. As usual, you can find all this information and more on sap.com/s4-cloud release. For more input, also stay tuned and check out my 1905 blog on blogs.sap.com. Thanks for tuning in and hope to see you next time.